Welcome back. 1 minute meditation. Time to grab the phone, go to my timer, hit 1 minute, and hit the play button. I usually like to keep my feet flat on the ground, either my thumbs together or my hands out to connect to the energy, and focus on my breath slowly in and out. Once my thought process is trying to keep me off track, remember, I don't have to get on every train that passes by. I don't have to chase every thought that goes through my brain. Just try to keep my focus back on my breath. Breathing in and out. They got it, 1 minute meditation, y'all. Start small and big, you know? Keep it simple, man. Peace out.